You know, see two screws, one over here, one over there. BT20. This is the passenger side though, okay? Remove plastic. Lower the screw over there. Plastic come off. Disconnect the light bulb. Now it come off. This is our gut. Slide this plastic up. Some clips here on the side. Pop those. Remove the filter. Put it down. Might have another clip over here too. Yep. Once you pop the other clip, this thing fall by itself. Slide it up. This is a new one. Same way you pull it out, same way you go in. Once you install it, put everything back. That's it.